Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix File Explorer not opening in Home on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix File Explorer is not opening in Home on Windows 11 computer, go to File Explorer. Look, File Explorer is opening in this PC instead of Home. Now I am going to fix this issue. Click on three dot icon to see more. Now click on Options, in folder options, click on General tab, and the first option is Open File Explorer 2, and now this PC is selected. Click on the drop down here, and here you will find Home. Just select Home and click on Apply. Click on OK. Now close the File Explorer. Open File Explorer again. Look, now File Explorer is opening in Home. This is the easiest way to fix this issue. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.